talking about process engineering, binary, sugar industry, and lot of other process engineering fundamentals. Process engineering means that we are actually doing the engineering of the process. Suppose this is H2, and I'm just taking a H2SO4. Now, in the industrial scale, we have a temperature. This has to have a certain amount of storage capacity, so contain that much of pressure and temperature. This will make SO4 has to be have at temperature condition. Now, what a process engineer will do? A process engineer will design a plant such that it can produce an H2SO4 from H2 and SO4. So, how do you solve this problem? First of all, suppose there. Now, the process engineer has to design. So that's what the work of process engineer will come out into. So that there should be minimum friction losses and it should be economical H2 safely without any environmental hazards, or basically react and form H2 at a temperature that has to be kept using some control valves, some pressure controller. So live scale chemical plant is for take the lab scale process or to the large scale commercial level so that it can make the profit out of the company. Aspects of process engineering, taking into details, each of them the basic necessities with pipes. Pipeline flow, that H2 has to be kept at certain temperature, certain pressure. We have decided between whether it should be a flat tank. Water can be stored environmentally also, so it can be kept at a thickness walled vessel, thickness, which has to have a very good. If it explodes, the whole actually lose their job. Not only the job, they lose their lives. Very important. Now, third is the main, which we call the chemical engineering. There is a lot of different kinds of fluids are there. Contamination with raw materials, because we don't want a lot of raw materials. We want whatever is available with the chemistry. We want to maximize it. If the chemistry says that we can achieve 95%, we should at least. Now, purification is a generalized where we have maybe two or basically separate them. So it may be a simple separated and their concentration is different. But distillation. This is a series of products coming out of the distillation column. Raw petroleum is taken and then it's we don't have to understand anything out of it. We just have to know